Sorry about that. I can't do it, dang it. So here, hang on. Let me put my wallet in. Right here. Hold up into position. That's not gonna work, damn it. Just pardon my language there. There. Perfect. I can charge my phone now. Sorry for cutting it off. Now I can just enjoy. Don't fall. Perfect. Getting really dark out there. Look at that, folks. It's kind of gray out, kind of greenish brown out there. Whoa! I see a big old scud over there. I'm not going to move the camera, but wait until it passes by. The wind is dying off a little bit. It's scary. But this cloud that's coming in looks really scary looking. I think it could be a funnel. Or a big old scud. It's hard to tell, but I can see it moving a bit. Just wait until it comes. It'll be on the left side of your screen. This way a little bit, see what happens. See it? See a little bit? Oh, come on, don't fall on me. There we go. Perfect. See it right there? On your left side of your screen? Folks, I don't know what that thing is. It looks like a scud. Or funnel cloud, one or the other. I think there's some rotation. Oh my god. Yep, that's a funnel cloud. Let me take a still of this so I can share this with Ontario Tornado Watch. Hang on a second here. Look. You see that? Does that look like a funnel shape to you? I'll take a still of that. And going? Perfect. Wow. Pardon me. It's making me fart too, huh? That was kind of rude of me to say. I'm sorry. But still, that looks really scary. I'm going to check out the weather map. Oh, crap. Whoops. Line's not dying off at least, which is good. So I see something. Yep, they just updated the warning for our area. Here comes the rain. And it's getting really dark. Really, really, really dark. Look at that. It's all brownish color. Here we go. Come on, lightning. Here we go, folks. The moment you've been waiting for. I think that is rotating. So brown, yo. Oh my god. It's all brown everywhere. Sorry for taking a large name in vain though, but this is scary. There's a rain shelf over here, and here comes the winds, and I can see that we're going to get a big downpour here. Alright. Don't let your kids out there. Under a severe thunderstorm warning, man, guys. Man, I'm just watching it too. But I'd rather watch it inside if I were them. Gust the wind, baby. Oh my god. Look at that rain. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yep, the moment we've been waiting for. The big one. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful and scary. Oh my word. Oh my goodness. Look at the streets. You see it? It's nasty. Really nasty. Whoops. That's okay, I'll leave it this way. So you can see the wind howling, and oh my gosh, look at the gutters. It's like torrential downpours, man. Haven't seen any lightning yet, though. Speaking of the devil, there's some. Wow.